Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on Messenger chat with the updated steps. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Launch the app and log into your account to access your chats. Step 2. Navigate to the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Scroll through your chat list or use the search function to find the specific conversation. Step 3. Long press, tap and hold on the specific message you wish to remove. Hold down on the message until a menu appears with various options. Step 4. Select More from the options that appear after long pressing the message. This will bring up additional actions you can take regarding the message. Step 5. Tap on Remove from the list of options. This will initiate the process of deleting the message from the chat. Step 6. Lastly, tap on Remove for You to confirm that you want to delete the message for yourself only. Once confirmed, the message will be removed from your view. By following these steps, you can effectively delete a message on Messenger chat using your Android device. Remember to use this feature responsibly and ensure you are certain about deleting the message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this updated guide has been helpful in assisting you with managing your messages on Messenger chat. Enjoy a more controlled messaging experience with these deletion options.